Hey guys, I'd like to thank our sponsors, the B Token, the future of home sharing on the blockchain. The ICO has garnered a ton of interest well beyond their expectations. Be sure to check out their website at btoken.com. Their ICO starts January 31st. Be sure to subscribe to their email list to stay reminded. Otherwise, you may lose your chance at this one, folks.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Let me get this chat up here. Where's this chat? Hey, what's up? Let's go. Let's go. Lots of really common faces here. Fantastic stuff. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. As you see, we're going to talk about awesome coins on KuCoin. You know, an obviously up-and-coming exchange. Everyone should go sign up. We have a referral link in the description below. Obviously, you don't have to use it if you don't want, but it would help support the channel. You know, might as well use it if you're just going to do it anyways. But absolutely, guys, sign up for KuCoin. So it's just KuCoin.com. Link below if you have trouble finding it. Yeah, absolutely. And before we go over the KuCoin coins, KuCoin crypto, KuCoin coins, say that 5 times fast, KuCoin coins, we will go through the markets just in a little bit, you know, and let me know where you guys are from. A lot of people all over the world tuning in today. Markets are not doing that great, huh? Not doing that great. Like what do we do here, right? It's a sad day, right? Oh my God, like look at that, 4% down, 2% down, 23% down. Neo, wow, pumping 16% up. Icon doing fantastic. Oh my God, let's actually view all. Let's see what's going on. See, when you look at the 7-day, it doesn't actually look too bad, right? It does not look too bad. But when you look here, it's just so sad. It's just so sad. Let's just do a slow motion roll here. Some sad violin music for all the crypto homies out there who lost a lot of money today. So sad. Stratus up 17%. That's pretty good. Let's keep going through it. Wow. More losses. DentaCoin. I don't know what's going on, but 31% down on DentaCoin. What is going on with that? And wow, actually we're seeing green. Let's stop the music. All right. Some more green, but that top 20-30, that was a rough day, huh? That's a rough day for the top 20-30. And if you're joining us on Twitch, welcome. Instagram, Twitter, I see all of you. Thanks for joining us today. It is a historic day. Finally, the Korean. So why is the market tanking? Well, the market's not really tanking. So if we scroll into the BTC valuation, we're not doing all that bad, right? But I think it's healthy for the entire market not to look at BitHump. BitHump was being traded. Bitcoin was being traded on BitHump for $23,000 to $24,000, almost at a $5,000 to $6,000 premium from what the Western Hemisphere trades at. Pretty crazy stuff. Pretty crazy stuff. And now Korea is what is Korea doing now? Is they are banning anonymous cryptocurrency trading. So you know how if you're in the West, when you sign on to Binance, you no longer need to get verified on Binance, right? But on Bittrex and Poloniex and Coinbase and multiple exchanges, you do need to get verified, right? Let me just close that out. So that is pretty much why. You know, I think CoinMarketCap did a good job here. You know, getting rid of a lot of this, you know, fake volume. Really, it was honestly fake volume. But you know, it just wasn't a great to see. You know, and there's no more BitHum, you know, being pumped up wildly here anymore. it's still listed on here, but it's to a lesser extent. So it doesn't impact the market as much. So that is good. That is always good. All right, actually, let me pull up your guys' comments. All right, tell us about Aeon protocol release. Okay, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Fantastic stuff. All right, let's go through it, guys. Let's go through the list. Top coins on KuCoin. All right, so I'm gonna present this right here, and I'm just gonna, yeah. Let me actually move this somewhere out of the way. Okay. Hope you guys don't mind being on the chat to the left. All right, so we're gonna just go through it. Oh Lord. Now you're going back to the right. Okay. Dragonchain. Now Dragonchain has seen a massive pump so far. If you got in on Ether Delta, like a lot of people did do, I think a lot of people were calling it very, very early. Congratulations. I mean, this is a great project. Now, this is available on KuCoin, not exclusively. Of course, it's an ERC20 token. So an ERC20 token, what's an ERC20 token? So an ERC20 token is any token that is built on Ethereum. You know, every Ethereum address, if you're wondering, hey, is this token built on Ethereum address? So just pull up the deposit or withdraw, just pull up the deposit address and just click on it and look at the deposit address. If it has a 0x in front in the deposit address, it's an ERC20 token. That means it was built off of Ethereum. So Dragonchain being something that's built off Ethereum is available on Ether Delta. But again, Ether Delta is such a shitty exchange. Obviously, there's lots of money to be made there because everything gets put on there immediately. But it's just so, the user interface is just so awful. It's just so awful. But Dragonchain is a big entertainment cryptocurrency. So it's got Disney marketers. It's founded in Seattle, massive tech hub, and it's amazing. The team is amazing. It's just I think it was the president or I think it was the chief leader of Xbox, people from Starbucks, you know, vice presidents of Disney. It's going to moon, and it's only $5 now. And actually, let's break away from this presentation, and let's go look at where's Dragon. Where is Dragon? Dragonchain up 10%. You know, having a nice little pump in this red little day, right? Actually, the day wasn't too bad, right? We did dip below the 840 that we saw. I think we saw almost $840 billion on the market cap. So we saw a solid 80, 90 billion dollars being erased from the market. So that's pretty much the first coin that we have listed here. So if you're not familiar with KuCoin, this is KuCoin, guys. Sign up. I also have a referral link below if you would like to use it. Obviously, you don't have to use it if you don't want. But why wouldn't you, right? Unless you have a friend. You know, you should. But it's up 17% here. $5.06 here. Great stuff. Great stuff coming out of the Dragonchain project. Pretty bullish on that. We've been calling this very early, like since it was under $1. So really great stuff coming out. KuCoin is awesome. It's an awesome exchange. Honestly, I've been using it more and more lately. And I think everyone should. I mean, they call it the People's Exchange, and that's exactly what it is. This is kind of chintzy, right? Like win a Porsche, you know. I don't really like that. I think they could be a little bit more professional, but you know, it is what it is, right? So now the second one we got is Utrust. Utrust. Okay, so it is the PayPal for crypto. So why do I call it the PayPal for crypto? It has facets of centralization, as is listed below. It's basically a payment processor, right? Just like almost a little bit like Request Network, but it's really cool. It's really cool. It has consumer protections built in. So what do you mean, Snay? What do you mean consumer protections? That means if you want to sell me some Jordans or some Yeezys, right, or whatever, you know, or you know, or a Nano Ledger S. You want to sell me that, and I give you Bitcoin. Once I send out that Bitcoin, there's no way for me to contest this, right? No way for me to contest the transaction. Once I send it, it's gone. You have it forever unless you send it, right? It's such a fantastic product because this gives real world application to this. You know, if you've ever been scammed, like, you know, one time, actually, a buddy of mine, actually, it wasn't me, a buddy of mine actually bought concert tickets off Craigslist. Turned out to be fake. Obviously, turned out to be fake. But he paid using PayPal, and he contested it, and he won. And he said, "Hey, I no longer have, you know, I no longer need to worry about being scammed because I have consumer protection, whether that be via my credit card fraud protection or PayPal, which, you know, that has a mediation. So there's a mediator in between. So the Utrust will have a mediator at a 2% fee. So if I give you $100 and you actually scammed me, I think it's a 2% fee, and a mediator is brought in to assess the situation. And if the mediator is in favor of you, you get your $98 back, and $2 goes into the mediation fee. So it really, really is super cool. It's super, super cool how they're able to do this. Obviously, this means there's a little bit of facet of centralization. They can reverse transactions. But again, it is still, I think there's still a market need for this. I think there's absolutely still a market need for this. Yeah. So this is pretty much only found on KuCoin. And as well as Ether Delta, but what isn't, right? But if you sign up on KuCoin, you should be picking this up. I mean, it is such a good cryptocurrency. Actually, Sam and I actually have spoken multiple times to the founder and CEO of Utrust, Nuno. Fantastic guy, really, really smart guy. And it's a solid team, right? They have a really huge development background, so I really think they could implement this pretty well. So another one of my coins. These are in no particular order, but if you're just not joining us, we said Dragonchain first, Utrust second, but Utrust is still massively undervalued right now. Dragonchain has been a little bit hyped up as of recently. Utrust has not, and once the hype comes in, I think it'll blast off, and you're going to be like, hey, it's blasting off. What else do I do? I think this is an easy $1 billion coin. Raiblocks. You got to talk about Raiblocks, right? So Raiblocks, they did win the contest on Binance, so they eventually are going to be listed on Binance, but it is lightning fast, super, super fast. What they do is they have like, it's not like quite delegates, but it's like a regulator, right? It's pretty much how they have this trustless system is that there's nodes or people with a lot of Raiblocks on there, so it prevents double spend attacks. It's a pretty interesting system how it works out, but the technology is there, and it's completely transaction fee free. Okay, so no transaction fees whatsoever. And guys, we will go over some cryptos after this, but I just wanted to, I mean, you guys are going to be missing out, you know, if you do not get into these coins early. You know, we could talk about Tron all you want. We could talk about EOS and Neo and Qtum and all these other coins that'll steadily go up very, very shortly. But guys, I bought Neo at $1. I bought Verge at I don't even know if it was 0.001 cents, or I don't even know if it was 0.01 cent. I mean, I bought so far low than under a penny, it was ridiculous, right? So you want to get these are where the gains come in, right? You just buy it now, you hold for a couple months, and then you know it's a good project and it explodes. So Utrust and Dragonchain is one of those projects. Raiblocks, on the other hand, the technology is there. The marketing and team could be a little better, but you know, I think as I think there's an absolute need for it. I think there is an absolute need for it. You should totally be getting this. Should we just buy now? Should we just buy now? That's an interesting question. That's an interesting question. So I really want to. I promised myself I wasn't going to do this, but I guess I'm a chartaholic, guys. That's all I love to do is chart. But so it really depends on what BTC is going to do. So let's go check out what BTC is going to do. Sweet load speed. We just upgraded our internet, and so it's definitely not my internet. It's definitely on their side. On TradingView's side here. But again, it's a lot of data to load, right? That's what someone should make, right? TradingView on the blockchain. Decentralized charts. No, please. I don't need any more shitcoins like that. No more decentralized charts, guys. All right, let's keep going through this. So we're actually, even though we've seen a nice little dip here, we're actually still traveling within our line that we drew, right? We haven't touched anything. We're still on square one. We're still traveling within this line that we drew, and we're going to pull this to an hour so we can see exactly what the patterns look like right now. So we're bouncing between this triangle here, and we are actually in this buyback zone. So actually, it's not too bad of a time to buy some Bitcoin right now. I definitely think a pump is incoming, and we are seeing this hourly drop, and hopefully we see a full-time reversal here. So the 4 hour still looking pretty negative, but it's slowing down, right? It's slowing down. It's slowing down hard. So yeah, look at that. The daily. Wow, that daily looks ugly. What an ugly day. What an ugly MACD for BTC. But the consolidation is there, and it's healthy. We're seeing actually a sell-off, sell signal yesterday. But I think we'll see an immediate reversal. I think this coin market cap, Korean FUD, it's just going to wane off. Nothing to worry about. I think the enthusiasm that's here is here to stay. Yeah, I definitely think that BTC is going to reverse soon, and it's going to break bullish finally. Because right now, we've been following this long-term bearish pattern here. And when I say long-term, I think let's actually count on the daily. Let's actually look at how long. So it's been around a month, of long-term bearish, negative action. And, before that, it was exactly actually 1 month of bullish action. So maybe we'll see bullish action come right back in for BTC, but that is the time. I think it's going to be tricky because as BTC rises, most of the time what happens is altcoins start to bleed. I don't think that's the case anymore. I think their competitors are here and they're pretty stagnant. But again, when I go back to CoinMarketCap, I still don't like to see 34% dominance on Bitcoin. I'm so used to seeing upwards of 50% dominance for BTC. And what is dominance? What is BTC dominance? People keep asking me that. So BTC dominance is how much volume or how much of the market cap BTC owns, right? So of the $758 billion, Bitcoin owns 34.2% of that value, right? That's all it is, guys. And I like to see 50. I like to see 50. 50 is a good number for me. And we're gonna go back to the presentation. All right, present. So we went over Raiblocks. Let's go. Snovio. So Sam and I actually read this white paper a while back, actually during the ICO stage. Go check out our ICO video review for this if you are interested. But it's really, really cool. It's crowdsourcing leads. So what is leads? So if I run a business, say I run a business and I say, okay, I am running a business, and what am I selling? What am I selling, guys? Give me some What am I selling? I'm a business. What am I selling? Give me some comments, guys. What kind of business am I? Why am I drawing a blank? There's thousands, there's millions of businesses, and I don't know what I'm selling. Let's see. Let's see. What am I selling? What am I selling, guys? I am selling drugs. Okay. So I'm a drug dealer. Okay. I'm selling drugs. Okay. So I am now looking for leads. I'm looking for leads to sell my drugs. This is actually not a good example, right? All right. So, all right. This is not PC. All right. We are not selling coke either. Okay. We're not selling cannabis. Okay. Cannabis. That's good. That's good. We live in California. Cannabis is completely legal. Drugs, on the other hand, are not legal. Stay in school. Don't do drugs. Okay. All right. But we are selling weed now. Okay. So I am selling weed. And I am trying to find leads for my weed business. Okay. Who would like weed, right? So I'm gonna go into the Snovio, it's a Chrome extension, and I'm gonna say, okay, anyone who eats pizza after 2 a.m. and likes Doritos and buys party-sized Dorito bags at 7-Eleven, I want to target those people. And if I target those people are more likely to smoke cannabis, right? And so you're targeting these leads, and therefore your business grows. So you're finding better and better sales opportunities and people in your market to pretty much buy your product, right? So yes. So that is pretty much what lead generation is you're finding your specific sales group, right? If I'm buying a car, if I'm selling a car, I'm not going to be targeting people who take the train, right? I would be targeting people who live in the suburbs that require a car. I wouldn't be targeting inner city people, right? That's just how things work. That's how business works, right? If I'm selling cookies, I'm going to target people who like milk, because cookies and milk, or cereal, right? If I'm selling milk, I'm targeting people who also eat cereal, and therefore that niche group of people are more likely to buy my milk than, say, the general population. So that's pretty much what Snovio is, and it decentralizes that. The Chrome extension actually works, so it's pretty cool. It's an existing company. I mean, the lead generation actually works. Go check it out. I mean, it's a pretty cool Chrome extension. Do go check it out. And now it's being listed on KuCoin. So now you could pick it up. Now you could literally invest into the company. So I've already picked that up. I actually have told the Moon Lounge yesterday that I did pick up some Snovio and Utrust. And it actually did pretty well today. Throughout the red day, it gained a couple percent. Nothing too flattering yet, but I think as people learn more about KuCoin and the coins it offers, I think it's going to really, really do well. I think everyone should be registering for KuCoin. I mean, it's a fantastic exchange so far. It's a fantastic experience. You don't have to really get into, you don't even have to get verified. It's pretty cool. You can immediately get on it. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. Now, Modem. Actually, Modem has been available on Binance for a while. And I have been buying on Binance, but now it's available on KuCoin as well. And I just loved Modem so much that I actually had to share it here. But it is available on KuCoin, and I love that. So let me tell you a little bit about myself, what my background is. So I was a pharmaceutical automation engineer. I've worked for like 6 Fortune 500 companies. I worked on the Hep C cure. I worked in albumin generation and medicine for hemophiliacs over here in Los Angeles. And I strictly worked in automation. And the crazy thing is they would send us in we would automate the plant. For a lot of the time it's new, so I like when I work in new plants, but sometimes they would send us in, we would upgrade a pre-existing plant, and then we would leave. And then a month or two after we leave, there's hundreds of layoffs. Why are there hundreds of layoffs? Because we've already automated the process. And one of the ways that I think Modem is going to come into place here is that it's going to drive supply chain management for pharma. So there's really strict criteria for the FDA. I don't want to bore anyone here, but this all I did was big pharma for like 5 years. But it's really, really cool. I mean, so there's really big compliance issues in the EU, Turkey, everywhere. Here we have the FDA specifically. Really, really big compliance issues, and that's one of the biggest hindrances in the pharma world. So if I ship to you, so a lot of these things as well happen in different places. So if I can make the product here and I could finish and fill here. So say for example, I'm making painkillers, right? So I actually used to work at Johnson & Johnson. That was my first job actually, making painkillers. But so we would get the opium, we would refine it, and then we get the API. So the API, it's called active pharmaceutical ingredient, really nice little powder, and that's the purest stuff. And then, but we don't fill and finish, so we don't make the pill and we don't make the time release. So then we give the entire big barrel of product to another company, and that other company actually makes the pill, packages it, and puts time release in it. So if you took it all at once, it immediately hit your bloodstream. So this way, the time release and it's packaged, and there's a packaging process. But the thing about that is it has to be very temperature and humidity controlled. So during the entire shipping process, there would be meters and gauges listed on here, and a lot of things get mixed up. I mean, you're setting hundreds of barrels, hundreds of different products to 100 different areas. So, with the implementation of Modem and RFID and serialization, now serialization is huge, right? Where if I give you a bottle of, say, for example, medicine or pharmaceuticals, you could now scan the serial code and you could tell what the batch number was. So if there's a bad batch, you want to know that, okay, these are the affected bad batches and this is where they ended up in the United States. So if there's one bad batch, it could hit all over the United States. So now you can target that batch and say, okay, I'm recalling that batch. So it's a massive supply chain management move. If you've ever look into how Amazon operates as well, it's outstanding. Like you go into an Amazon warehouse and it is just massive, and you're like, how are these people getting to this many customers in 2 days with free shipping? It's mind blowing. It's mind blowing. There's literally machines automated that pull different capsules to because there has to be thousands of products on there, and they're all storing them. A lot of them aren't Amazon resellers. Amazon's actually storing and shipping them through their own fulfillment centers. So there's a huge need for supply chain management. That's why I'm really bullish on VeChain, Wabi, Walton Coin, and I'm looking to get into Wanchain, and another one now is Modem. So congratulations if you did get it a Modem on Binance, but now it's on KuCoin as well. So expect the pump. Actually, I think it's doing pretty well right now. Let's break back. Let's actually break back to, oh, no. Okay. Let's actually break back to here. Okay, where is Modem? Sweet. It's not even on. It's not even in the top 100 yet. That means it is. It's 138. It's not bad. And guess what? Our fan favorite here, Sonam as well, right under Sonam. That's perfect. I'm still really bullish on Sonam. taking a little hit today, but a lot of things did. We've been suggesting it since it was 7-8 cents. So really fantastic stuff. And wow, oh my God, I bought Modem at $2. It has 33% up. Wow, I did not know that. Good for me, I guess, right? Good for me. Let's keep going through it, guys. And then we'll go over some of your comments, and we'll go over through the charts again. But again, right now I wanted to focus strictly on KuCoin coins. Sign up using the referral link below, in the description below, if you're over here on YouTube. If not, if you don't want to, you don't have to. But again, it's all up to you guys. And let's go back here. So Modem, hopefully, and if you like the content, and I'm sorry about my spiel about pharmaceutical industry and automation. Just I was involved in it for so long, and I'm a programmer by nature. I actually, it's just tough. Specific considering I only quit my job like 6-7 months ago. To pursue crypto full time. I've been involved in the space since 2013, but it's pretty cool. It was a pretty cool job, and I'm still in it. Let's keep going now. KuCoin shares. Now KuCoin shares is cool as hell. So if you own, say, 100 KuCoins, you start getting dividends of all the coins they list. So you own one KuCoin, you start getting, it's going to be cents, right? So like now, like we just looked, and now we have like $6 of Dragonchain now, just because we owned KuCoin shares. And it was a hilarious story how I even got into KuCoin shares. So I was in India, obviously you guys know that, over Christmas break, and I had terrible cell phone signal, and I was like, I was basically in the mountains / jungle, some jungle mountains. I was not getting any signal, and somehow a signal comes through, and immediately when the signal comes through, I start getting notifications, and Sam calls me, and I'm in the middle of the jungle, and he goes, "Yo, Snay, I'm about to buy KuCoin shares. You want some?" And I was like, "Yes, I do want some KuCoin shares." And then, we talked for like maybe 30-40 seconds, and then the connection kind of fizzled out, and he ended up buying me KuCoin shares, and I haven't been happier since. It's seriously a blessing, considering those like 6-7x gains. I think it was like 4 or 5x gains actually. Whatever, 400-500% gains. Why don't you go ask someone on Wall Street if that's good, because they would literally blow their tops off. 400-500%, right? But amazing stuff. Let's do it. All right. So KuCoin shares, and that's my last one. I'm not saying there's not other good coins on KuCoin shares, but these are my top 5. So top 6 rather. Oh, we'll call it top 5 because KuCoin doesn't count, right? KuCoin shares, but you should be picking up some KuCoin shares. So let's go through it real quick. So we get Dragonchain, Utrust. So Dragonchain, entertainment coin. Utrust, which is pretty much PayPal for crypto, gives you mediation in cryptocurrencies, a lot of consumer protections, really cool. Raiblocks, free transactions. If you've ever shipped some Bitcoin right now, you're gonna be like, holy shit, $10, holy shit, $10 to send $10. So you're spending $20 to send 10, or $10 to send $10. It's ridiculous right now. I'm not saying anything bad about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is not a transaction medium. It is a store of value, and I think that. And there's a lot of people that say, "Oh no, Bitcoin was meant to be a peer-to-peer transaction method." Whatever. Things change. Things change. Apple used to be a computer company. Now they're a smartphone company. Things change. All right, Raiblocks. Yeah, we just went over that. Snovio, lead generation. I hope you liked my my references there. Modem, which is pharmaceutical. So it is the pharmaceutical industry's. it's crypto, supply chain, crypto, and pharmaceutical industry all merging as one. Can't believe it's up 33%. I actually didn't know that. Damn. You know, that's actually a good point. Why didn't I know that? Because instead of panic selling and being in FUD and fear, every morning I open up my Blockfolio or my portfolio tracker. I look through my portfolio. I make conscious judgments, and then I turn off my portfolio. Because a lot of the times, this FUD is very short-lived. And I'm glad I didn't do anything. I didn't really take in much action. I bought some Litecoin. Other than that, I didn't do much today. And most of my coins have been doing all right. So I'm happy with that. I wasn't going to panic sell anything. I'm still bullish. We focus on this channel. We focus on technology, you know, the fundamentals, team, marketing. We focus on that. We don't focus on pump and dumps. You know, and there's a lot of groups out there that they love to pump and dump. And it's unfortunate. It really is unfortunate, because when you're participating in a pump and dump, it's only a matter of time before you get hurt, and you know, someone's getting hurt, right? It's just not morally or ethically good, you know. And there's a lot of YouTubers out there that do that as well, and you know, it really is unfortunate. You know, they'll pump up you know, with this many people, you know, we have like 4,000 or 5,000 views per day, and I go pump a coin, and then we have, you know, a couple thousand on Facebook, a couple thousand on Twitter. You know, we have some Instagram people online right now as well, and you know, I think it was like a 200 on Twitch. That's like around 10,000 people, and even if, you know, 10% of them participate in a pump and dump group, it's around 1,000 people. So we could completely manipulate a market here, even as a small channel like this. You know, we could manipulate a channel like this, and a lot of YouTubers, they take this power for granted, and it's really, really unfortunate. You know, I just try to convey news and solid technology and coins. And it is unfortunate. If you're looking for a pump and dump, or you know, this is not the place to do it if you're looking for a pump and dump. But if you're looking for something that, you know, good cryptocurrencies, and you know, I've been really critical on cryptocurrencies all the time. I've been really, really critical. You know, I like it one day, and then I really read in depth, and then I change my position and I report that. You know, that's what it's all about, having good technology that I could go to sleep sound. You know, you should be able to go to sleep sound and, you know, not freak out, right? You know, you shouldn't have to worry in your sleep, like, oh my God, like, is my shit crashing? You know, it's just not good. All right, cool. Oh yeah, KuCoin shares. I guess you could count that, right? You know, you're earning dividends on all the coins on KuCoin. I think it's way better than Binance Coin, and you get lower transaction fees. It's pretty cool. I mean, you should be picking up some KuCoin shares too. I mean, it's a very cool concept. It's like an index fund. It's literally an index fund. Holy shit! Yeah, why didn't I write that on the? Hold on, just in case I ever get back to this. Okay, cool. All right, so hopefully you guys, you know, pick out some solid cryptocurrencies on KuCoin. You know, there's a lot of shit out there. There's a lot of shit coins there. Confido is still on there. A bona fide scam is still on there. You know, there's a lot of shit coins out there, and it's important to you know, filter out the bullshit. You know, hopefully I'm doing a decent job on it, and I'm not you know, feeding the fire, feeding the shit fire, right? But very good. All right, let's go through you guys' questions. I know you guys have a lot of questions. Markets did tumble a little bit, but they have been rallying as of late. We'll take a look again at BTC, but we had a couple of questions here on the Super Chat questions, and I really do appreciate it. Truth be told, thanks for the donation. Civic predictions, please. So we're going to go over Civic first. CVC, BTC, let's go. Wow, look at that. Damn, my calls are good. So 12.16, 12.17, I said buy right now. And you would have been double your money. Not too bad. Not too bad, Sneh. Cool. All right. So I made some nice little profits here compared to BTC. I mean, Civic has been outpacing BTC for the last month, so that's always nice. Civic predictions, please. So actually, this is kind of crazy. So Civic is identity verification, lots of partnerships. Civic is one of those long-term holds. You buy some Civic, you throw that out the window, and you just come back later. Pretty much, you don't throw it away, but you just come back later, right? It's a really cool project. Lots of partnerships, and that's one of the reasons why I really like it. That it, like Ethereum, Civic, there's a lot of things that will rely on Civic to get shit done, right? Now let's draw an extended line. My God, that was terrible. Don't judge me. All right. That's not too bad. It is breaking through that little pattern right now, right? But that 4 hour looks pretty nice. Let's look at the hour. Let's look at the extreme short term. Let's see. Is there any volume? Look at that. That volume is like non-existent. Let's go back to the 4 hour. I think with volume, I think there's not really a strong prediction to be made here. It's going to keep tapering. I think we may even see a breakdown. And one of the crazy things I actually saw was, wait, what happened? Okay, Civic was was actually broke down from the top 100. I guess it's not anymore. All right, Civic's number 98 now. Okay. I guess it pumped back up a little bit, or something dropped, right? So cool, very cool. Yeah. Yeah, I will. Yeah, that's pretty good. But yeah, Civic, long-term hold. Predictions on Civic though. I think Civic could easily be in that $3 to $4 range as time goes on. And as well as that, if you haven't heard of it, I'll go through some more of your questions, guys. Don't worry. But if you haven't heard of it, look into Ant. Look into Ant, guys. What is Ant? So Ant is Aragon. Aragon is it pretty much helps cryptocurrency companies with scalability, not scalability, but sustainability, right? It's an interesting project, and they have a shit ton of partnerships. And I'm sorry for the profanity, I guess. Yeah, trying to keep this PG. I had a comment the other day. It's like, yeah, you swore, and now my mom won't let me watch you. I'm like, oh damn, I didn't know there was kids investing in cryptocurrencies. You know, that's when we're a bubble. Are we a bubble? You know, when we have kids investing in cryptocurrencies. You know, I don't know how old this person was. Maybe someone was trolling me. You know, but pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. You know, that some kids trying to be financially free. You know, damn, I wish I would have thought like that, honestly. But yeah, it's very, very cool. It's a decentralized application to run organization. And a lot of partnerships, guys. So many partnerships. Such as Bancor, Civic, and Ant, they really rely on time. So as more of their partnered projects keep growing, they're going to grow as well. So it's just a safe bet. It's like Civic, Bancor, and they're not going to explode. Actually, Bancor, I'm going to rescind that statement. There's a lot of competitors to Bancor, but I haven't really seen any competitors to Ant and Civic so far. So pretty cool, interesting stuff. All right. Let's see. So can you go into depth more into KuCoin shares? So I'm actually going to go to youtube.com/cryptosomniac and Sam has a really good video out. And guys, please smash that thumbs up button if you do like the content. I'm just trying to get you guys ahead of the curve here a little bit. We could talk about Neo and Ether and LTC all we want, but it's always good to see these. It's always good to take a little risk and look at speculative tokens, and specifically ICOs and these smaller tokens that ICOs that just hit exchanges, and that's what we're going to be seeing. In a year's time, Dragonchain could be $100. In a year's time, Utrust could be $10. It could actually happen. These are very good projects with decent teams, and at least decent leadership. So it could very well be happening. So thanks again, guys. Smash that thumbs up, guys. Would really appreciate it. It really does help out the channel. Surprisingly, it does. So let's keep looking. Where is this? Coin track? No. KuCoin. There it is. Earn residual cryptocurrency income. KuCoin. Why I bought. So this is Sam's video. Go check it out, guys. If you have more questions on KuCoin, he goes into it in a little bit more depth than I am going to right now. Read through some of your comments. Best crypto advice ever. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. This is my full-time job, so and I guess I'm my own boss. So the only thing I live off of is your compliments. Let me just close out Skype. Sorry, guys. Over 900%. We could all retire. LOL. Okay, let's keep going through you guys' questions. What is Mowaji says nothing. He just donates money and he says nothing. Okay, cool. Thank you for the donation. Eblib says, can you give Neblio a look over and predictions? We could try. Right, let's go try. Yo, it was crazy. I have to tell you guys something. It finally rained in California. I've been living here for like 4 years. 3.5 years. And Sam's been living here for like 5 months. And it's the first time it's rained in 5 months. And I forgot what rain even looked like. I was just like, wow, what is this? What is this falling from the sky? Is this rain coin? No, I'm just kidding. Oh man. All right, let's go Neblio. This is cool. I mean, it's an ICO. I'm sorry, ICO. It's a Neo founder that started this, so pretty cool stuff. Neblio. Okay. All right, that's interesting. Let's shrink everything down. Let's get that price chart a little bigger, right? Huh. That's pretty run up, guys. That's really run up. I'm not gonna chase this. I'm honestly not gonna chase this. I didn't buy that much Neblio. I wish I would have, but you know, if you miss an opportunity, don't go chasing this stuff, man. Don't go chasing this stuff. Honestly, stagger in your orders. I think it's primed to drop. I mean, it's just so run up. It's so run up, and with my, well, what is that? No, that is not a correct entry price. So I would say my first entry point would be 0.002. My second entry point would be let's see, what is this fib level here? We got 0.002, and I'll say 0.0015. Stagger in your orders, guys. Those are my 2 entry points. I think we should be seeing a drop here with Neblio. I don't think there's sufficient amount of. There's a lot of hype, but you know, just be careful. Be very careful here. I wouldn't go chasing this. You know, don't go chasing that rabbit, guys. It's just too much. It's just way too much. Okay. All right. Let's keep going through your questions now. Can you cover ETC long term? Nope. Don't like ETC. Don't like ETC. I don't think ETC is that great of a coin. I sold mine in August, actually. I wouldn't suggest buying ETC. So yes, I am actually not Sam. I am Snay. Sam is the white guy that comes on this channel, and I am the Indian guy that is on this channel. Sam and Snay. Yep. Confusing. We look like twins, right? But quite not yet. Okay. XVG Wraith Protocol releases a few hours ago. No way. Really? Really? I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Finally, it's finally released. Let's see this. Hold on. Hold on. I don't even know where I'm looking at right now. Hold on. Our Verge currency. All right, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, let me pull this up on the screen. Okay, you guys are right. Okay, so Wraith Protocol. They just tweeted the official Wraith Protocol. Wraith full just went live, motherfuckers. solid input by Reddit. Happy Verge Day. Verge has been pumping. I sold a lot at a quarter, so I'm not too upset. But I staggered my ordered out, so I'm still holding on to half. Maybe I'll sell some more for some sweet KuCoin. Right? God, just some of these names are getting ridiculous. Some of these names are getting ridiculous. I don't even know what to say anymore. KuCoin. KuCoin. All right. Still maintaining that upward resistance line. That's not too bad. Wow. We'll see if we could actually we could have actually predicted this just on the technicals, right? Let's pull this down a little bit and pull this up a little bit. Wow. Maybe this will be the resistance line. Maybe I will sell 100,000 Verge. Yeah, just a little bit, you know, just to gain some profit. Why not? All right, yeah, Verge. Look at that green candle, guys. Let's just look at that. That's like the highest volume. That's the highest volume ever. Like, holy crap. That's a ton of volume. Wow. Okay, cool stuff. What is it? What does that pump up? What is that at? Neblio pulling a Verge. Neblio did pull a Verge. Yeah, no, Neblio literally went parabolic, and I don't know if I'd be going chasing that high. But let's keep looking at it. Let's see where CoinMarketCap is landing us. Look at that. This is down 7%. You know. Yeah, we got in at $2 over there in the Moon Lounge. We're opening up signups next week, guys. We're switching actually from the Moon Lounge to the Advantage to accommodate more people. We hired 6 new people as well onto the team. Really fantastic stuff. So yeah, we treat this like a business. We're expanding quickly, guys. Just like crypto. But let's go check out where's Verge at. Holy crap, 37% up. 37% up. You know, it's time for me to take a little profit. That's what I think. Wow. VeChain prompted to explode? We'll see. But first, Snake, you need to start an ICO called KuCoin. You potty mouth. Oh man. All right, guys. I apologize. Maybe I shouldn't say the S word. So what's so special about KuCoin? Go check out Sam's video on KuCoin, guys. As well, share this video on Facebook and Twitter to win some free cryptocurrencies. We'll be picking a winner. This live video right now, we will be picking a video at the end of the stream. So check it out, guys. Just check it out. All right, let's keep going through it. We were going to go over BTC USD. I think this merits another response for BTC USD. So actually, even though the quote unquote FUD happened, guys, you know, this quote unquote FUD happened. Wow, what's going on? Why isn't my chat updating? Hold on. Excuse me, Mr. Chat. Okay, APC, please. Okay. APPC. I'll look into APPC after this, guys. But this is more important. This FUD that we experienced, nothing actually ever came out of it, right? For BTC, we're still traveling well within our zones, right? We're well within our upward resistance line, and we obviously don't really have to worry about breaking through that top resistance line anytime soon. Maybe we will, you know, but this volume is very low. I would really like to see some more volume come into BTC, but I guess there's just too much enthusiasm for the rest of the market. I mean, we're seeing really good volume. We're seeing good volume. I mean, without a doubt. Let's take a look. 51 billion 24-hour volume. That's not too bad. Let's look at the 3-hour. So right. Yeah, it's not too bad at all. It's not too bad. I mean, we had a couple. We had a couple like 60, 70 days during that massive run up on January, earlier this week, pretty much. But yeah, that's still good volume. But that volume isn't being really translated into BTC, right? But it'll be interesting to see. It'll really be interesting to see. All right, let's keep going through it. All right, what did you guys say? APPC, ASPCA, APPC, ICO. Is that AppCoins? Yeah, we went over this yesterday. This is actually pretty cool. It's actually pretty cool. You know, value of tokens sold in ICO. Go check it out. I mean, I think the ICO is actually ended, but it hasn't been listed anywhere, if I'm not correct. Actually, I'm not correct, yeah. Let's see. Oh, it was listed on Binance. Wow. When was this listed? I swear it wasn't listed. Oh, shit, it was listed today. Man. All right, well, now I have to do research on another coin. Okay, it's on Binance. It's on Binance, yeah. Just got listed on Binance. Wow, so it got listed today. So obviously, I don't know that much about it, but you know, let's actually go through how we research it. How do we research here on this channel the ICO? Well, so we'll go into AppCoins. I would read the white paper first. That's the first thing I would do. And then what I would do is I would look at AppCoins Twitter. So looks like the official Twitter, and I would see the frequency of posting. Not very good. Not very, very good. I would like to see a couple posts per day. I would like a lot more engagement with the community, and they have not been doing that. So not very good for me. Let's go to the AppCoins. Let's see if they even have a Reddit. I guess today is an exception, but let's see. 1,300 users. That's not that great. Today is an exception because it did just get listed to Binance. So unusual amount of enthusiasm for it, but too late to buy KCS? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It's not too late to buy KCS. I think you have plenty of time for KCS, yeah, it's just you have plenty of time. And let's go over Neo. What the hell is happening with Neo, right? We've always been very, very bullish on Neo, right? And we'll actually go deep through the charts with Neo, since you guys have asked for it. Okay, so we are approaching all-time highs, as we have been seeing here on the USD valuation, but on the BTC valuation, we still haven't approached those highs yet, right? So we have, from breakdown to break up, approached all-time highs, and we are around right here. So we are just above that little buyback zone in the long-term zone, right? If you were looking at this very, very long-term, actually, it still isn't not that bad of a time to buy in the very long term if you're bullish on this. So we're still looking at a parabolic turn here. RSI is very, very high. What does RSI show us? RSI shows us if it's oversold or overbought. This is a little overbought right now, a lot overbought, right? So I'm expecting that we slow down on some of this parabolic movement so far. We're going to push this into the hourly to see a really zoomed in version here. That's pretty good. We're going to go over to Coinigy, and we are going to pull this back out and go to Neo. Hold on, guys. Okay. Now I could read it. Okay. Neo. Wow. That's pretty crazy. It closed at this and then opened at this. That's crazy. So this is so how do you read a candle? So this is these lines, these white lines here. Actually, let me make this a little brighter. Wick. Okay. We'll do white. We'll do white wicks. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see that. But you see these lines right here, right? These white lines on top of these candles. That's called a wick. So that's the range of what happened during that specific 2-hour period. So we're in the 2-hour interval. So each candle's a 2-hour period. So that's a range, the volume, the price action on the entire candle. And so in the beginning of the 2 hours, it started here, right? So it started right at the bottom, that green part of the candle. And then at the end of the 2-hour period, it started here. So we're seeing multiple, almost like a short slowdown here, right? So we're at all-time highs. So we don't even have a wick above here on that last candle. So we may see some correction here, but I wouldn't be go selling your Neo anytime soon. Excuse me. It is not a signal to buy by any means, because it is a lot high right now, right? But it is an optimistic sign if you are holding Neo right now. I mean, I don't buy on these parabolic turns, right? Well, why put in $1 and hopefully get back $1.02 when you could put in 2 cents and get back $1, right? That's why I went over all these KuCoin coins, because I think those have a ton of potential. And that's honestly what I do. Daddy ICO, I haven't heard very good things about it. Again, it is a good ICO, but apparently there's some rumors that they stole from the file Sonam white paper and things like that. Should I sell my Komodo? No. The answer is no. But we're actually gonna give out some free crypto and go over a couple more coins, guys. Let's see, where is it? Okay, let's see. Hopefully you guys got in. You know what? Why not? I'll give you guys one more second to share and retweet for some awesome free crypto. You know, that one free crypto can be $50 one day, right? It's interesting. $50, $100, $1,000. Shoot, I bought Ethereum at $7, right? So it is interesting. It is interesting that what the kind of philosophy I'm trying to tell you, right? You hold Bitcoin, you hold Ethereum, you trade these really solid coins, but you also do take a little bit of risk into these smaller coins, right? All right. Let's keep going through it. Have you looked into KuCoin? So I actually just invested into KuCoin and Robinhood. I think it was about a week ago. So they're pumping hard right now. So I'm very, very happy. GVT to $225 potentially. GVT to $225. Let's keep going through it. So Facebook, let's go to Facebook. Hopefully you had enough time to share and retweet. And again, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you do like the content. I know I keep saying it, but it really does help out. And again, we get a lot of inquiries about the Moon Lounge and the Cryptosonic Advantage. That is actually happening. The sign-up's happening either sometime late this week or next week. And I do apologize for the delay. We're just trying to get everything perfect. We don't want to give you anything half-assed, right? So let's keep going through it. So 16 shares here, actually, and let's actually open up Twitter too. And we're going to open a random number generator. All right. 1 for Facebook, 2 for Twitter, 3 for reroll. All right, we're re-rolling. Facebook again. All right, let me give this a refresh. $19 reshares. Let's see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 people. Some posts may not appear because of privacy settings. So we have 10 people here. So we'll do 10 people, right? And we're going to... Number 6. Congratulations to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Acro shirt. I'm actually going to snip you out, hunt you down, and force some free crypto onto you. So you are the winner of some free crypto. We will reach out to you, but if you're watching this video, feel free to reach out to us. Just go ahead and send us a message if you'd like. But we will reach out to you as well. All right, let's go over one more coin, guys, and we'll call it a day. Hopefully you guys are heeding my recommendation for these KuCoin coins. Just signed up for Cost Exchange. Yeah, we just signed up too, like a week ago. So still very, very fresh, fresh in my mind. Verge ready to explode. Guy, Verge is already exploding. It's up 33%, right? Verge. So we already went through Verge. Hold on. And I really do appreciate the super chat donations, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is our full-time job, so the only thing we get is your compliments and love. And thank you, you guys. There's so many loyal viewers that watch every single stream. Really appreciate it, guys. How can we prepare for the BTC run-up to come? You buy, you transfer altcoins to BTC, pretty much, right? Set your stop losses on your altcoins and get it done, right? All right, let's go over one more. So I actually, a lot of people have been asking me about GTO. So GTO actually just got listed, and this will be the last coin we go through, and then we'll call it a day, guys. And again, share and retweet this, and we'll pick another winner tomorrow. GTO, BTC. So GTO is very new, right? It's only been on the exchange for, a week or two. So we are seeing this almost like a very nice price action going on here. So on the hourly, we may actually, wow. Maybe it's a good time to buy here. Maybe I'll pick some up. Yeah, maybe I'll pick some up. It's actually maybe a decent idea, potentially a decent idea. The 4 hour doesn't look good. I'm curious to see if it finally breaks down, right? It hasn't broken down from this upward resistance line. It's been testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's tested it 9 times. So maybe it'll finally break down. Maybe I'll buy some now and have a very conservative stop loss at around maybe 4,000 Satoshis. That's a nice psychological level too. So, worst comes to worst, I lose a few bucks, but not too bad. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm slouching in my chair, having terrible posture. But thank you guys so much for watching. GTO, actually not a bad pick, I guess, as the team is pretty good. I've actually looked into it. It's called Gifto. Really do appreciate it, guys. If you're part of the Moon Lounge already, I'll be in there as well if you guys want me to go over any charts. But you guys are always welcome to ask me any chart questions. And really do appreciate it, guys. Hit that thumbs up one more time for me, and if you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe now and hit that little notification bell, and you'll be able to say when I'm online. You'll be able to see. And I really do appreciate all you guys who have really loyal viewers. Really do appreciate it. This is Snay here at CryptoSomniac. Peace out, y'all. I'll be online tomorrow. Don't worry, guys. See you guys. Where is this thing?